Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to MRI of left knee joint, planning and protocol. So let's go started. You can see here there are three images, both are localizer images. The first image is sagittal, this is coronal, and another is axial. So now we will do the plan axial images. Look at the protocol, T2 TAC transverse and PD fat set. So now we will do the plan T2 transverse. At first we can open the protocol and planning. So axial planning will be on the sagittal and coronal images. And showing here the protocol and showing here the parameters. And now the apply. Okay, now another planning is coronal planning. So coronal planning will be on the sagittal and axial images. And now I set up the showing here the parameters. And finally the apply.